Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change password in JaGaApp. So let's get started. So if you want to change password in your JaGaApp, what you can do is just open up your Jaga application. After opening up your JaGaApp application, you can tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on update my profile which is on the top. After tapping on update profile, now you'll come up to this page where you can find change password option. You just have to tap on change password, and in order to change your password you just have to enter your current password in the first blank and enter the new password that you want to change with in the second blank, and then re-enter that password in the third blank. So just enter your current password. After entering your current password, you can create a new password. So after entering your details, now you just have to tap on save and you will successfully change password. Your password updates successfully. And that's it guys, this is how to change password in JaGaApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.